Assalamu alaikum. I have a router is 5G. This router is Huawei, and this router when I connect to the power supply is giving the 1.5 volt only. So now I will open and check what is the problem inside and why it's not working. Okay, it's not working. So first of all you have to remove the plastic here and remove 3 screw. Here is 2 screw. So after remove you have to open this side. There is clips for open. So also have 4 screw here, both of side you have to remove this 4 screw. So now you have to open. You can see this router was dropped, I think it's broken. So I have to open the screw. So remove this antenna connection. Okay, I have to remove all the connection and open the main board and check. So I have some screw here also, you have to remove. You have to remove this fan connection and also have this is the heat sink. Okay, so here is the first I will check. First I check the connection. You see here is the buzzer mode and there have short. Okay, there have short. See, not working. All the sides have short. So guys, this router is problem is very simple and I hope you can fix it. You can see this capacitor, this one was short and I removed this. Okay, and now I will check with power cable and can see is working. Now this router is working perfectly. So also have another router like this here. Okay, so I have to change this capacitor, also not working. Now this router is working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. If you are in the Saudi Arabia, if you need to fix your router or anything, you just contact with me and send to me. I am in Medina Al Munawwara and I can fix your router. Thank you guys.